Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list. Hey folks, Tony here from the Acoustic Letter. Today we're going to look at one of the standard models from the folks at Martin Guitar. But before we do so, please click the link below and sign up for the Acoustic Letter. Today we're going to be looking at the Martin DRS1. This is one of the lesser expensive Martin models, but still offers maximum sonic quality and all the punch you get from some of the higher end models. The Martin DRS1 is made out of all solid sapelli. Solid sapelli top, sides, and back. Makes for a really nice, fat, warm sound, especially paired with this dreadnought-sized body. The DRS1 also features the Stratobond neck, which is super solid material, a black Richlite fingerboard, as well as a black Richlite bridge, tusk saddle, small white dot inlays, a plastic nut, a classy Martin headstock, and all the sonic punch that you can dream of. Also on this particular model is a Fishman Sonotone pickup, with the controls mounted just inside the sound hole for easy access. So let's give this thing a play acoustically so you can hear what it sounds like. Interested in this guitar? Go to acousticletter.com now and email us with your questions. For more acoustic reviews and comparisons, click the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel.